conservation.
Bit of a snowstorm here.
Kick the bucket, go to China, wear trenches, buy a motorcycle. I'm Ramona Deary, Wednesday on Songcom. Phone in and tell us what's at the top of your list. My guest is P.A. Loeffler, and he's determined to get to the top of Mount Everest. That's Wednesday on Songcom at 1:30, 1 in Labrador.
Roads are plowed, but they're drifting in again. It's not bad right now. It's still pretty
Well,
good.
the fish line has been ringing over the last few days about some of the stories in here late last week and earlier.
Better not go too far, you know. I'll put a ditch here.
Last Thursday, Earl McCurdy of the SCW voiced concerns over plans to dump treated effluent from the proposed nickel plant along Harbor into Placentia Bay. Here's some of what he had to say.
I mean, there's a proposal that the company that's the proponent here, the developer for this nickel processing.
Main highway, here we go.
Is proposing to take treated effluent and
Not too bad.